Hey guys, today we are restocking our fridge with all the healthy foods, prepping up the fruits and veggies, and I'll let you in on what's going on and how doing this simple task will set myself up to make good choices, save time and money, and give me all the energy I need to keep up with the current chapter of life. If you've not subscribed, pause me now, I'll wait. Let's stay connected and get into today's video. Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks for tuning in today. We are restocking my refrigerator. It is near empty, and I mean empty, like we don't even have milk in there. I don't have my almond milk or oat milk. Like we are down to the bare bones. So I've got my shopping list right here. So we are gonna go and get this knocked out as quickly as possible. We are under tornado watch, but it isn't raining. The skies are clear as of right now. So I'm really gonna try and knock this out as quickly as possible. Let's head to the store. This had to be a really quick errand day because the thunder outside was rolling. So I made sure that I got everything that I needed. I double checked, quadruple checked my list to make sure that we didn't forget anything important and headed home. Our shopping trip was very successful. We have all the things. I did go ahead and I boiled up some eggs and then we put them in a nice cold bath. So these are ready to go into our container, but we have all of the greens for salads. I always get 2 containers of spinach because I like to do half spring mix and half spinach for my salads, and then we always saute up spinach, which is one of my favorite ways to eat spinach. So good. We've got our potatoes, avocados, we've got some carrots that we will eat with some ranch. I need to make some ranch dressing too. And then we've got ginger root, garlic, lemons, onions, bananas. We've got grapes and strawberries. These are the cotton candy grapes, which are really, really sweet. I am a sweets lover, love sweets. These are not my favorite, but the other ones that they had, they just didn't taste that good. These were better. So I went ahead and got those. And then I also like to eat these when I'm snacking with ranch dressing, or I'll show you here in a second what I was able to get. One of my favorite places to get salads sells their dressing. I'll show you that here in a second. But we've got some lettuce, or not lettuce, that's celery here, asparagus, Brussels sprouts. These are really good in the air fryer, one of my favorite ways to eat it. And then asparagus, I just like to do a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, garlic sea salt, saute it up, yum, yum, yum. We've got our cuties here. I don't know if I've already said that. And then blackberries here. So we have a pretty good mix here of our produce stuff. We've got other things over here. So I did buy this for Kai. I did give him some. He doesn't like it that much. He really is one of the pickiest dogs ever. So, yeah, I don't know that that's a winner or not. Kai, if I had to guess, I would say it was like a 3 out of 10. He did not love, but he ate half of it. Okay, and then I've got, these are my Bay's English muffins. Love that they're resealable, so they'll stay fresher in your fridge. Love that. Dave's Killer Bread. I've got sun butter. We will have chili at some point this week, so I've got all the beans for that. Stocked up on some tomato paste. Rotel. This is like the secret sauce to really good chili, I think. We've got tomato sauce here, or tomato paste right here. Tomato sauce there. Some diced tomatoes there, so we're stocked up on that. And then I also got this because I like to just keep it in the fridge, because sometimes you just need like a pinch of it, and I don't want to always have to open that, so this is always handy. We've stocked up on some Colby Jack cheese. I've got some tomatoes here. I guess that should have gone on the other side. We've got these cheeses here. If we do burgers, this is the kind of cheese Rob likes on his, so we're stocked up on that. These are our favorite spaghetti sauces. And then we've also got chicken broth. We've got beef broth. This is Kai's Brutus bone broth. He does like this with his kibble. And then we've also got my toasted coconut and almond milk blend. So good in my shakes. I've got back here this is the bucatini. They're just like spaghetti noodles, but they're thicker. Love. We also have some Texas toast. I like to put a few croutons on my salads, give it a little bit of crunch. Milk, obviously. And then these are just some other kind of knick-knacky things. I needed to get smaller bulbs for a lamp in my office. We needed some snack bags. I got this because I need to wash all of Kai's toys. So if you do any kind of really free and clear, then that's a good way to wash your animal toys. So that's what those are for. I got myself some hairspray. And then I went to Ranch 99. Looks like that, but I went to Ranch 99. I got some mung bean noodles because I want to make chicken long rice at some point this week as well. I've got some rice flour. I might try and make a new dessert recipe. We'll see, but good to have. It was a couple bucks, so I thought I'd get it. And then orzo. I went to Sprouts and I got some orzo. We use this in soups. We can add it to our couscous. So lots of different things you can use orzo for. Then I went to the 99-cent store or the dollar store. This was $5, but it is a just real inexpensive pot that I'm going to be able to, I want to melt a candle basically. So I needed to get something that I could use as kind of like a double boiler that can get ruined, and I won't mind that it would get ruined. So we got a really cheap pot, and I think that's going to work as a double boiler really well. The other things I have here are just some random wines. It says HEB, but this is actually, I got these at Target. Everything I got at Target, and just convenient because they had like extra things that I needed, like the hairspray, the light bulbs, like some of those things. So kind of like a one-stop shop. Most of the time I will go to HEB. I wanted to go to Target because I know where everything is, and that just saves time when I'm there. And then usually on a big trip, I'll also go to Costco, but I kind of really didn't need anything. We have a lot of frozen meats, so we're good on that end, but really I just needed to grab produce. I do need to hit up a farmer's market at some point, so we'll look into that. We'll hopefully do that really soon, but let's get everything put away. Oh, I forgot to show you this right here. So Salata is one of my favorite places to get salads. A salad at Salata, or pretty much any salad bar, can be anywhere from $10 to $15. But this is my favorite dressing. It's the balsamic vinaigrette. I like to water it down a little bit. So, I'm very happy that they do this. So, I've got dressing for quite some time. I will make my own ranch, but this is going to be a good switch up every once in a while. This is the sad, sad state of my fridge. We don't even have milk. I mean, this is really bad. None of my fruit drawers, my veggie drawers, none of these are filled, which clearly, obviously, we need to get them filled. Now this is our juicing bin. I do need to clean all of that. That's celery and carrots in there. And yeah, we just, everything. So let's go do that. It feels really good to get this fridge stocked up. My approach to healthy eating has definitely evolved over the last few years, at least the mindset around it. I'm no longer dieting. I'm no longer trying to lose weight to fit into a pair of jeans, although, don't get me wrong, that is definitely still a huge motivator for me. But my goal in getting healthy and staying healthy is to have the energy that I need to be productive in this next chapter of my life, because I'm heading into a season of hustle. I'm building a business, and if you've ever done that, you know that that level of work that is involved is intense, especially when you're laying the foundation for systems and concepts and even all the learning that's involved. That brain power needs fuel. And starting a small business is not for the faint of heart for sure, but it is definitely rewarding in so many ways. But it is hard work. It is long hours. It is not much rest time. It is constant consistency. And it's a whole lot of brain power. So how I'm fueling my body is everything. And having the healthy food available saves me from not only having to think about what I'm going to eat each day, but mostly it saves me time when I do get hungry. All my options are here and they're ready to go. So I'm saving not having to go somewhere. I'm saving having to think about what I want to eat. I'm also saving money because fast food, especially if you're going to a salad bar or a place where healthy food is served, it's expensive. So anyways, my approach has evolved from I need to lose weight to look better to I need to lose weight to feel better. And that one switch in my mindset has been an absolute game changer. So I'm working out each morning to start my day on a healthy note. I'm moving my body so that I can be stronger, so that I can walk up a flight of stairs and not feel winded. I already struggle with breathing and taking deep breaths. So over this last year, as I've steadily gained weight, it's become even more of a struggle. And on top of that, COVID did a number on my breathing issues too. So the weight thing is what I can control. So that's where I'm starting. I'm also working out so that I can do all the projects that I want to do. I need muscles to build things, and my legs need to stay strong so that I can climb up and down tall ladders and hang pictures or paint walls and ceilings. And as I've gotten older, I've leveled up in years, if you will, I can for sure feel that my body is fighting more against me. But like I just said, I am very aware of what I can control. So that's exactly what I'll do. I'll control the controllable and do the hard work. Now, enough of all that. If you're curious about these drawers and bins, the drawers are from the Container Store and my splurge from the Home Edit line, and the bins are from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them for you in the description box. This feels absolutely amazing. We are stocked up and ready to go. When I go to Costco, if I go to Costco this week, I don't even know that I will because like I said, we have frozen food. I have room for getting more stuff if we need it. I will make some taco meat for some taco salads and tacos. So that's why I've got the ground beef in here. So that is good to go. We've got cheeses, our English muffins. We've got lots of butter. Good on that front. And then we've got milk now, which just feels good. Rob has been away. He has been out of the country, but he is coming home. So we've got milk for him. And this is just gorgeous and beautiful and makes my heart so happy. So we've got all of our apples up here, obviously asparagus. If you put your carrots in water, they'll stay fresher longer. And then in here, we've got our strawberries and blackberries. So yay for that. We've got Brussels sprouts, our Dave's Killer Bread. This is the extra spinach that we have. We will eat this probably in the next couple days, and then it'll open up that space right there. We've got the rest of our salad greens here, hard-boiled eggs, regular eggs, ginger, garlic, avocados, grapes, and then on the other side of the grapes, we've got our cuties, and then we've got our tomatoes and our cucumbers, and then this is our juicing. Now this tub is new, and I love it. Now, yes, this fridge has been, this is Home Edit. This is the Home Edit Splurge line, but I'll tell you, quality-wise, these are amazing. So I did go to the Container Store and I got this. This is all of our juicing things. So that is in there. And then we've also got the extra cuties here. We've got bananas. I like cold bananas. I think they're for me, they're my favorite. And then we've just got our sour cream back there. We've got cream cheese, Kai's Brutus, his topping for his kibble. And then we've also got the extra chicken broth that we will use next. I've got heavy whipping cream for morning coffee. I do have one right here that we had, so we're stocked up on that for sure. But, yes. Oh, and then up here, we've got cheese there. And then up here, I put my new dressing. We've got our jellies right here. We've got Rob's cheese here. We've got tomato paste there. And then, yeah, just the regular things that go in a fridge. We are all stocked up in here. We've got our potatoes and our onions. And then we've also got all of this area stocked up. Over here, I just went ahead and tossed all of the mung bean noodles. They're very bulky, but that's okay. And then we've got our chili stuff here, which we'll use in the next few days. But this area is nice and stocked too. And if you're curious about these bins, they are really pretty. And this one is a lot smaller than the bottom one, but it still fits right on top of it, which I love about that. So got those at Walmart. Also love that our kitchen is clean. This feels good. All the dishes are done. These have to dry, obviously, and then I will put them away. But it feels good that the kitchen is clean and we have a stocked up fridge with all the goodies. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.